In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unstake your ETH on Coinbase. Now, it's actually very simple and easy to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get it all correct. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, we need to go ahead and go onto our Coinbase account just like this. And then we need to make sure we're signed in or everything like that. So what we want to do after that is we want to go either to assets or earn. I'm going to show you on earn. Going to go down to earn, and we need to go down to ethereum. We can go here. And what we need to do from here is we need to scroll all the way down to this section here that says earn on ETH. Now, if you have ETH already staked, there'll be an option here that says view options. And what you can do is you can click on the view options section, and that's going to allow you to unstake your ETH. So it will ask you how much do you want to unstake, all that kind of stuff. So once you've actually previewed how much you're going to unstake and all that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and do that, but it's going to take, I think, 15 days before it's actually going to be unstaked. And the reason for that is because that's the way it's designed, is so that you can't sell it instantly or whatever, or unstake it instantly. So you have to wait 15 days, but it's completely normal, so don't worry about that. Once you've done that, just have to wait, and it should be unstaked and ready for you to go ahead and use. So that's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.